Oh my god, I need to blur the whole card. I'm sorry guys. Hey yo web traveler, today we are opening NS10M04. Look at this box, it just looks amazing. I'm so glad they improved the design of the boxes. Like if you compare this to the first one, the first 10-1 set, it's just such a big difference. My voice isn't fully recovered after I was sick. Sometimes I will sound like I have a stuck up my mouth. So at this time you can't actually see on this box which card they're inside, and I haven't seen even a single one this time, so I'm fully unprepared, or rather fully prepared to be amazed. That is, how do you open it? Oh my god, it is a magnetic box. God, the story, you're amazing. Holy shit. Like, this box I want to display. This box I don't want to throw away. It's just amazing. Hey, oh, it gets even better. Look at that. There's Spy Family inside of it. Such a cool detail. I actually love it. Man, this design is incredible. Anya on the back. And let's get to the first one. I'm not gonna even shuffle them. So we're just going right to it. The first one, there probably not a single R card in this box, which is okay, because it's all about that shine, baby. And I don't know who that is. Are there any difference at the back? No, yeah, I mean, we can see some flowers and we have some nice leg action there. That's not. Oh my god! Let's go! Holy shit, that's. Oh wait, that's not an. Oh, I forgot. Obviously it's FR, I thought it was SSR of Marnie. And no, this freaking face of a Titan in comparison did not alert me whatsoever. But okay, let's first look at the SSR. I don't know who that is, but I mean, it looks nice because it's it's fucking lovely. Get the fuck out of here. It's kind of cool. I mean, I'm really glad I got Marnie. It's awesome because Marnie is cool. Also, nice design, but those FR cards are different and I don't know if I prefer them. Okay, let's see what the second pack holds. Is it an ass or is it a knee? There's a knee. Okay. Very important detail, because if it was an ass, oh damn boy. Come on, focus. Thank you very much. Also, no clue who that is. Ooh, that resembles Rin Tosuka in a way, but it's probably not. I mean, she has a mic, so it's some of the idol anime, I guess. And then we have Weak, and oh, what is this? Yeah, those are the golden metal cards, so probably that means I can get one for free, because I got this one. This is Weak. I don't have anything to say about that. I have some things to spice it up. I have 2 promo packs, which I'm gonna open right now. Okay. We got some promo card from a character. I don't know who that is. Before I go to that, if you want to get some promo packs, you can add a note tcgcomrade while ordering a booster box. It needs to be ordered from one of the sellers below in my video description. And also guys, don't miss on this 10-1 set, because there's lately a trend where the Gather Story boxes are sold out way more quickly than before. I think it's due to getting it more popular. So don't miss your chance, because before you knew it, it's gone. So let's open this promo pack. Oh fuck yeah, let's go. That's awesome. Where's my trash pile? Dude, Muse Dash, amazing. Somebody played it? I played it. The game is such a good game, man. And now continue with the pack I struggled with. So yeah, those were the promo cards, and you can get yourself one also. Hey, that's a sister girl. An SR, I don't remember those being that big, but whatever. It's weird to remember, I guess. That looks like Love Leaf. Is it Love Leaf? I don't know, and I will never know. Hi, okay, and damn, this SSR is incredible. Goddamn, look at that. So much detail, I like it. I also very like the leggings. Look at the leggings. The camera don't want you to look at the leggings, but I do, so there you go. Those are... This card looks nice. I don't know. I remember this picture. I believe they have it somewhere else. Maybe also another rarity, I don't know. That's not a repeat, right? No, that is for this set only. Another SSR with a cock. Look at that. That's such a nice cock. right there. And we have a cat also. Nice. Who the fuck is it? Satori. I'm just a little bit worried that this would count as a hit. So that would mean we only have one shiny in there, like special shiny. If the camera would... Whoa, those are big, by the way. Whoa, it is a booba pack, I believe. Let's go. Is it a booba pack? No, is this a double? Oh, wait, what? What does that mean? Wait a second. I mean, I'll have some of the things, and all of the things were golden. This one has like purple rainbow colors, all the colors of the rainbow, and it's like, does it mean something? There's nothing 18 plus about this, so what the fuck? And is this a double? Yeah, fuck off, man. I got the first double and it's a freaking love leaf. This freaking box hates me. Come on, now I need something epic. Now I need something great to, you know, to get it on the same level. Because the fucking love leaf, I know it's love life, by the way. Thank you, the ones who corrected me. But I was saying it way too long now as a love leaf, so I just will keep doing that. And this is also double, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, Dr. Pepper, let's go. Okay, this one is actually nice. Okay, now you kinda leveled it up with some epic, but then you gave me the Booba FR again. So the fucking bruh. That's Black Rock Shooter. There you go. Those were smaller, by the way, but I am not complaining about that. I've seen you a few times in God of Story, but I still don't know who you are or from which anime you come. Is this also? It is also. FR is such a mess. I got 2 doubles and I'm not even half through. I maybe am, by the way. This is a Nami. This is a good one to get. I really like it. Come on. Oh my god, those packs are sturdy. What the fuck? How on earth? I see another double, but I mean, it's an SR double, so that doesn't bother me that much. But when it's FR double or SSR double, SP, let's go. Yeah, I don't fucking know who that is, by the way. Oh, you have even a back. Oh, yeah, yes, of course, because you have like 9 SP characters who form like the whole picture up front, but also they form a picture back. This SP looks nice. I mean, I remember a previous SP of the first 10-1 box. It wasn't that nice. So okay, that's a good hit. Can is this the hit? I don't fucking know. Okay, now it's better. But what the fuck was that FR? It's weak again. How many FR are there that I'm getting only doubles? Man, that's weak. Okay, this one looks nice. Although on the card quality, this box is finally nice. Like, I heard that the previous sets were not always that good on the quality aspect. We have the same number here and there. I don't know if it means something. Maybe the same animal. I don't know. At least not the double of an FR. So that's nice. Okay. Ooh, fuck. What's its name? Oh my god. I always forget it. Every freaking time. That's Inori, right? From Guilty Crown. Oh my god. I think that's the name of an anime at least. Yeah, okay. I don't think it is a double. And that's definitely not a double. And that's definitely not a double. And fuck yeah. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Okay, now everything is fine. All the little shit that happened before, it's fine, because the Asuka, it's a great waifu. It's one of the best girls. I mean, not before Rintosuka, but I recognize her, but I don't know from what I do, so whatever. If I can get the freaking Rintosuka, that would be even more epically, but I don't think they have her here. I mean, I don't know actually, but Rintosuka is not that popular character for God of Story. They're here and there, but not like in every set. Like, for example, some of the girls are in every freaking set, such as Love Leaf. That's, yeah, like there. She has a heart. That's very cute. Okay, we have a few packs to go. Almost there. And that's a double, because I recognize that knee. What do we have here? Oh my god, look at that. That's some nice summer vibes. Very cool, very nice. And we have an SSR, which is looking hella sexy. Maybe too much of a sexy, but okay. An FR. Is it Sword Art or is it the fucking sister anime? I don't fucking remember. The face is familiar. I don't know. I don't know, man. I forgot. Oh, that's fucking cursed. Oh my god, that's so cursed. Okay, first of all, it's a child. At least it looks like a child, so I don't like it. But then it's way too. Oh my god. I need to blur that. I can show you that. I think that's really I think God, the story just blurred the line there for me. And oh god, oh my god, I need to blur the whole card. I'm sorry, guys. It's too much. Like you see too much, and it's a chat. So okay, moving on. Let's pretend like this pack never happened. Also, we have a few doubles, and this Layla last pack. Oh my god, it's a cat. Okay, like the best fucking box ever. My wife would love this card, by the way. I'm just gonna give it to her collection. And I mean, I can't think about anything else that fucking cursed card. Oh my god, please. Okay, sure, nice SSR, and what FR. Cool. Oh my god, thank you for watching, guys. If you want to support the channel, please comment, subscribe, like. I will see you in another one, web travelers.